Hi guys, welcome to Gadget Bridge. This is Sulabh and we've got the ultimate Ears Wonderboom speaker with us. This is a portable Bluetooth speaker, so let's go ahead and see what's inside the box.
Alright guys, before we go ahead, do hit the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it so that you see our videos first.
So it's a neatly packed box. You get a skin over the actual box which shows that this is a waterproof speaker as well. And the MRP on the box says $6,995. However, we do reckon it'll be slightly cheaper in the market when you go and buy it. Alright, so let's go and see the contents of the box. And there you are, these are the ultimate Ears Bluetooth speakers. Let's see what else do we have inside. Just gonna keep that on the side for a little while. I think there's one more compartment here which should have the USB cable. Yes, it has the USB cable. So that's the mini USB cable with which you can charge the device using any charger. So you don't get a charger inside, but you do get a charging cable. Pretty neat to look at. Anything else inside the box? No, that's about it. So these are splash proof and these have been tested out by the company. It's basically a Logitech company. UE is Ultimate Ears, which is a subsidiary of Logitech, and they've drop tested it from up to 1.5 meters. Talking about the aesthetics of the speaker, you do get a plus and minus sign here, which is basically for volume up and volume down. At the rear you are gonna get the USB charging port, and on top is, I guess, a LED indicator and a power button. Yes. So these are waterproof, as we said. They've got IPX7 certification. They are drop proof up to 1.5 meter, and they do supply 360-degree sound. Also for the battery, the company does claim that it has 10 hours of battery backup, but we're going to test that out and understand how much does it supply actually. Another neat feature about the Wonderboom speakers is that you can attach two of them together, and for a small little party or get together, you can have that much needed boost of sound. So let us just connect it to one of our smartphones and see what the sound is all about. So pairing it to any device is quite simple. Just turn it on by pressing the power button on top, and then long press the Bluetooth button, and just go ahead and search for it on your device and pair it. Alright, let's see how these speakers perform. We're just gonna play some of our favorite tunes and connect to the device.
Spend 24 hours, I need more hours with you.
So if you press the Ultimate Ears logo on top, it acts as a play or pause button.
You spent the weekend getting even. Oh. We spent the late nights making things right between us. But now it's all good, babe. What I thought would, babe, and let me close.
Alright guys, so those are the Ultimate Ears Wonderboom speakers. They've just launched in the market. If you do like the video, do subscribe to our channel, hit that Instagram page. We are going to come up with a giveaway very soon, and I'll see you in the next video. This is Sulabh signing off for Gadget Bridge.